Okay guys, while I was out here, I wanted to actually not really review, but talk about this Jackery Explorer 240. Now I've had this thing for a few months, and if you are going to places where you're going to be more than 2 days, 3 days, this thing is a lifesaver. Right now it's at 61%. I've had it for 3 days charging. It charges my phone, which I've done about, I'd say, 4 charges off of that. Right now it's charging my GoPro, one of my GoPro batteries, and that's twice of charging it. It's only drawing 4 watts. It has a AC plug where I can charge my batteries for my headlamp. Goes right in there. It also, this charger right here, charges my vape batteries right here, and I can charge 2 at a time. So it's really a great item to have. And it's 61% for 3 days of charging is really good. And I still have another day. You can also, it has a car adapter, so you can plug it into your car and charge it. It doesn't take long to get a full charge off of here. I think it's taken me, I say 2.5 hours to completely, if it's all the way down to like 10 or 15%, to get to 100%. So it is a very useful thing to have. This is probably the next to the smallest one, but this is all I need. I mean, I don't have a camper or an RV or anything. I show you the phone, but the phone is recording right now. But this is a cord for it. It will charge 2 USB ports at one time, and it'll charge the AC along with it. The GoPro battery, you know, everybody knows those drain really quick, so I'm charging that. I charged these 2 guys last night, and when it's finished charging, it actually shut down, so nothing gets overcharged or overheated. But I just thought I'd talk about it real quick. When I get back home, I will just put up the specs of the item, and then you can see more in depth on what the Jackery Explorer 240 does. So this is some of the specifications of the unit, what the capacity is, which is 240 watts, the battery type, the AC output, the USB output, the car output, the DC input, the weight of the unit, dimensions, and the operating and the recharging temperature. So you can also pair this unit with a solar panel. So it kind of shows you 2 different ways to do it, from the DC input to attaching it straight to your Explorer 240. So these are the charging specs: 24 times phone, 5 times your tablet, 2 times your laptop, your lamplight 18 hours, camera 10 times, and a drone 4 times. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao.